Hello everybody, today I want to talk about the density noise node in Unreal Engine. So we had in Unreal Engine 5.2 density node in the PCG graph, and in version 5.3 we don't have any more density node. I wanted to use it and I didn't find it. So what I did, I'll tell you later what I did. But first time about the density node. In Unreal Engine 5.2. So I create already one PCG volume. I want to get first time the volume data, and it's too big. Let's scale it down a little bit. Transform points, let's scale it down to 0.1, 0.1. And now I will use the density noise. Density noise. So you see it's working, and then like usual after that the density filter. Density filter. So that is how everything works in Unreal Engine 5.2. And in Unreal Engine 5.3 we don't have that. I'll make it again. Get volume data. We see it. It's very big. We will transform points one more time. 0.1 and 0.1. Debug. And after that, when I want to call the density noise, we don't have it. So I thinking, what can I do? How to find it? And there are of course many ways to find it, but I just using the old trick, I come to Unreal Engine 5.2 and just copy everything. Just copy it. Control C and paste it down in Unreal Engine 5.3. So, and what you can see here, you have the attribute noise, and actually that is the new thing. Attribute noise is very similar to the density noise. This I don't need, delete it. And let's see. Transport points looks like that. And you see that attribute noise is very similar to the density noise. And that is the thing. We don't have any more density noise, we have the attribute noise. And with attribute noise we can make almost the same things like with the density noise. I hope I can help you with that, and wish you a nice day.